Hello, 911?
911, what's your emergency?
Oh God. Oh God, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh my God, I'm so screwed. I'm so freaking scared right now.
Whoa, calm down, sir, calm down. Now, what's your situation?
It just happened. My friends, they went in, they went to the 7-Eleven, they got a Slurpee, they went to get a Slurpee or some Twizzlers. I don't know. I think my friend was getting Twizzlers, but that's besides the point. I'm locked in, I can't get out of the car.
Wait. You're trapped inside your car. Can't you manually pull up on the lock?
I don't know, let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm out now. Yeah, thanks. Have a nice day.